Hi everybody, Anita here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a great mani. This one is going to be sweater nails. I have some ruby pumps here that I'm going to apply over my two base coats that I use. I know it sounds crazy, but I use my peel off base coat and then I use my ridge filling base coat. Once those have completely dried, I just polish on this gorgeous color from China Glaze. This is beautiful. I know we all know about ruby pumps. It's just a gorgeous, beautiful red with gorgeous shimmers in it, and the more coats that you put on, the more depth you get in that beautiful glitter. So 2 coats of this, let it dry completely, and then we'll move on to the stamping. Now I'm sure you notice my new short nails, my pinky broke, and I mean broke all the way at the skin, so I had no choice but to cut them all down. I do enjoy the long nails. They're very, very pretty. They're difficult to work with. I did some housework and I paid the price, but what are you gonna do? So once that's completely dried, you see it dries a little bit darker than it goes on. We're going to start with this beautiful plate that I have here, start the stamping rather, with this beautiful plate I have here from Clear Jelly Stamper. This one I love because the images are small, and when my nails are short, you see I don't have a lot of area for a lot of layers of stamping. So I'm just going to put on a cuticle guard there just on the sides, just for the overhang of the stamping that I do. Now this plate has tons of designs on it that you can make any type of sweater pattern or Christmas pattern that you would like. I love it. It has stags, and it has leaping stags, and it has pixelated looking slags. It has sweater patterns and poinsettia and Christmas trees or evergreens. And it's just a really pretty plate. It has snowflakes on it. And I'm choosing another Clear Jelly Stamper plate that has some seasonal greetings on it. And I chose Joy for this one because it fit my nail very well. And the polish also is from Clear Jelly Stamper. The stamping polish is beautiful white. Again, I'm just going to put a little skin barrier on the sides there. And it's just, the stamping polish is such a beautiful complement to that gorgeous red. So I do apologize for being out of frame for several of the stamping images, but I don't know what I do. I think I'm in frame until I see it. Oh, I left this in because I wanted to show you I made a boo-boo. My line was not straight across the top of that nail, so I'm just using a cotton swab and some nail polish remover to take that off. I don't want to go down too deeply into the polish because what will happen, that red will come out and it will just look like silver. So you go just to get the writing off, and then top coat again while that's drying. I'm going to put these beautiful deer on my nails. Now you can tell how small the images on this plate are because I got 2 deer on one nail and my nails are small. And so to enhance that further, I'm going to put a teeny tiny little star or poinsettia, I think that's what they are, right there as well. I use cellophane tape to take off the images off of the stamper that I don't want. Line it up as best you can. I actually had to stand up and lean over the camera and my nail in order to kind of get that straight, because I am notorious for not getting anything straight. It's frustrating. But these came out pretty decent. Such a pretty design. This is, you know, we're moving into the holiday season. Once Thanksgiving is over, it's Christmas until New Year's, and then we will be all Christmased out. And probably before Christmas we'll have to throw in some different type of nail art because it does get a little repetitive. Even though I love it, I have to admit I do. This is my first Christmas mani of the year. Just going to peel off that skin barrier. and do a little cleanup. Now for this one, since I had that leaping stag sitting on my stamper for a while, I put on some Orly Bonder just to make sure that I get it all on. You see, I had a little difficulty when I put those deer on because the polish dries, stamping polish dries very, very fast. My house was very warm that day because it was freezing cold out, so that did not help in having my polish not dry on me. So that's this one done, guys. I have some stills at the end with matte and glossy top coat. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of my sweater mani. This one I will be posting on Instagram. In fact, it went on Instagram today. Today is Sunday. So this one is already on Instagram. If you follow me there, you're probably going to see this. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If this is your first time here and you'd like to subscribe for more nail art, just click the little girl icon on the side and the bell icon will notify you when I upload a video, and that's once a week. So you guys have a great week. Take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.